what we. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Float on top. Float on top. Float on top. Let's go over this real quick. Not gonna waste too much time. Market opens. We take out. Nasdaq just goes crazy. Takes us out. Low key, some longs were like, there's a long setup. Like you get a change in the state here. You know what I'm saying? You enter some fair value gaps all around here. Blah blah blah. You get taken right here. Boom. Full right TP. But I, like I said, when price makes a fat rip up like this, I want to pull back and change the state, and then, you know what I'm saying, then we can talk. Then we can talk. But that didn't happen, so thumbs were in my ass. So we take out the London Central highs. We come up again, take them out again, right? Honestly, I was favoring NQ because even though we inverse these gaps, we never got to change the state. And then we rip back up, take it out again, come back down. We rip down, bro. Like low key, I was like, I'm not entering. I'm not. This market ain't getting nothing from me unless we get a pullback into the changing state that we got, and we invert some gaps. Um, yes, it's something similar as well. We ripped up, took out this high. We respected. ES was dope because we respected a 5 minute imbalance the whole time. We had an SMT obviously, right? Because ES didn't take out the London session high, so a lot of bearish confluence. I was intending on trading on ES just because of this 5 minute gap getting respected all the time. But ever since this rep down, NQ just had better hopes of just coming back up into it. And while we came back up into it on NQ, I wasn't watching ES really. Um, I was really on NQ. I was favoring NQ last for the actual trade. So, but ES's price action helped me out a bit with the SMTs and all that. So we get a pull back up in the change of state into the inverse valley gap zone, all that good stuff. Fat for valley gap right here gets filled. We get a bearish close out of that. I entered like around here. Okay, I wanted to put stops above the high, but bro, $800 for me to risk. I'm not risking $800, bro. You got me fucked up. So when I saw that it was $800 to put the stop loss up here, I was like, hell nah. And then I see price start to rip, starts to shit the bed. I was like, you know what? Damn, like W price action. And then we put stops at $500 right here. I said I wasn't gonna trade pre CPI. So yeah, I risked like 550. But oh yeah, okay. So I wasn't gonna trade CPI, right? Pre CPI. But I was on TGR stream. He was saying that Joel's job wasn't anything crazy. This was Joel's job opening. It was a crazy 1 minute candle, but it wasn't nothing CPI caliber, right? So we get the news, and I wasn't gonna trade till before then, bro. And we were starting to see a setup 5 minutes before news. So if I had taken what presented itself on ES, like ES had a setup, right? We inverse for valley gaps right here, changing the state. I could have taken it, sure, but it was like 4 minutes before news. I would have gotten fucked. Okay, as you can see. So I wait till news drop. I wait for price develop. You know, patience. Patience is key. And then we get that setup on NQ, which I just ended up favoring for the day. I got out for 1 or 2 just for this low right here. Price was just so freaking volatile. I guess you could say I was a little scared because like I didn't like risking 500 even, bro. So that's just especially after a loss. So I'm like, look, I'm just get out 1 or 2, and price just quickly snipe my TP, and we keep moving lower. Like my overall bearish price is right. Like I'm pretty sure we are gonna seek out to fill in this bullish imbalance right here on NQ. For sure, that's what we're gonna seek out. But it was also kind of like it was 810, 815 or something when I took the trade. And from here on out, I don't tend to like price action too much. It may not be too volatile, so I was completely fine with just exiting a little earlier for just at least 1 or 2, right? So decent R. W risk management. Honestly, the best stop would have been at this high, but judging from us completely filling in this imbalance, I don't think we're gonna want to fill it anymore. So, I mean, it's an okay stop loss. Could have just done better with the stop loss, but then again, I'd be risking more. So, um, that'd be me over leveraging. I don't want to break my rules, right? But honestly, I took this trade. I knew it was. I just reacted, man. Price gave me this. That's what we want to work with today. Um, but yeah, nah. I know for sure we're gonna come for this imbalance. Um, I'm up a band on this trade. Up on the account is 764 because I did take that initial loss. Um, but yeah, I'm not trading tomorrow. Thursday's a fat maybe. Depends on how PPI news candle is. And then Friday I'm open to trading. Um, but yeah, tomorrow I'm not gonna show up. So y'all sleep in tomorrow, bro. CPI. Um, unless you like getting like pegged. But that's it for me. Just one trade, one and done. And I'll see you guys Thursday, Friday, maybe. Peace.